This video is for informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice. Prepare to dive deep into the enigmatic origins of Bitcoin, the revolutionary digital currency that has transformed the financial landscape, and uncover the enduring legend of its mysterious creator, known only by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, whose true identity continues to captivate the tech world as one of history's greatest unsolved mysteries. In October 2008, amidst the chaos of the global financial crisis sparked by the U.S. subprime mortgage collapse and the dramatic Lehman Brothers bankruptcy on September 15th, a pivotal white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, suddenly appeared on the cryptography mailing list at metsdao.com. This 9-page, 2,736-word document, citing 31 references, outlined a groundbreaking decentralized digital currency using blockchain technology, proof-of-work consensus, and cryptographic proofs for peer-to-peer transactions without banks or intermediaries, building on innovations like Adam Back's Hashcash in 1997, Wei Dai's B-Money in 1998, and Nick Szabo's BitGold in 1998. The white paper was authored by Satoshi Nakamoto, a pseudonym possibly meaning central intelligence, with Japanese connotations, yet linguistic clues like British spellings such as favor suggest otherwise, fueling endless speculation about whether it was one person or a group. Leading theories include cypherpunk Hal Finney, who received the first Bitcoin transaction and tweeted running Bitcoin on January 10, 2009, before passing in 2014, Nick Szabo, creator of smart contracts, Dorian Nakamoto, highlighted in a 2014 Newsweek article, but who denied involvement, and Craig Wright, who proclaimed himself Satoshi in 2016 but was declared a fraud in a 2024 UK court ruling with a £6.5 million fine. Active until 2011, Satoshi mined about 1.1 million BTC, roughly 5% of the 21 million supply cap, across 22,000 addresses, posted around 500 times on BitcoinTalk.org from November 2009, and sent a final email on April 26, 2011, to Mike Hearn stating, "I've moved on to other things," before vanishing, leaving their immense fortune untouched. On January 3, 2009, Satoshi mined a Genesis block, Block 0 with hash 9668938516583193457634667OV3 difficulty 1 and 50 BTC reward. Embedding in its Coinbase the message, the Times 03/Jan/2009 Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks to critique the crisis and trillions in bailouts like the US TARP's $700 billion. The first transaction followed on January 12th, when Satoshi sent 10 BTC to Hal Finney. Satoshi mined the first 50 blocks solo until mid-2009. By 2010, Bitcoin traded at fractions of a cent like $0.0008. Intriguing about 70 early adopters. Milestones included Bitcoin.org by Marty Malmi in March 2009, Bitcoin Market Exchange in March at $0.003 per BTC, MTGOX in July reaching $0.08, then $0.30, and Bitcoin Pizza Day on May 22nd, when Laszlo Hanyecz paid 10,000 BTC for 2 pizzas now worth billions. Rooted in cypherpunk principles of privacy and decentralization, Bitcoin surged from obscurity to a trillion-dollar asset class, peaking at 1.27 trillion market cap in November 2021, disrupting traditional finance with its 21 million supply cap, having every 210,000 blocks. Next in 2024, SJ 256 hashing, and network expansion to 10,000 nodes by 2011. Growth accelerated with 2011 Silk Road using BTC, price hitting $31 in June before crashing to $2 due to hacks like MTGOX issues. Satoshi's enduring vision sparks global debates on privacy rights, power distribution, monetary policy, and the future of money in an increasingly digital world. This video is for informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice. The extraordinary story of Bitcoin's origins and the enigma of Satoshi Nakamoto continues to unfold as this digital revolution shapes the ongoing narrative of finance, technology, and human innovation.
If you want more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.